What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven, y'all. Okay. Welcome to this YouTube. No, not YouTube. Facebook Live. Eventually upload it to YouTube whenever I have time to do it. Okay. So anyway, I'm by Randy TV House. Truth the Gamer. Well, he don't call him Truth the Gamer no more. Okay. What was that? That was Randy's phone. Okay. So he should be coming back in the room eventually. Well, you know what? Watching Charm School. Look at Taylor. Oh, here's Randy TV. Oh, you on TV, Facebook Live. Okay. Well, let's. Oh yeah. Look at Heather, beautiful Heather. Hey Heather. All right. So what you want to say? Well, what you mean by that? I'm out of my mind.
So we have decided
to
give you beautiful women a second chance, baby, to redeem yourself.
Okay. And Heather stood right next to Brooke. They was on different seasons, and they both got eliminated on the second to the last episode. But I'm glad Crazy didn't spit like Pumpkin did, you know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Dominoes 7 watched Flavor of Love before. Flavor Flav! I'm tripping, huh? I what? Well, I don't know what you said though. I heard something. Oh. I don't know and don't care what you said, brother. Oh, so somebody I know is watching my show. The person gonna probably click off anyway. Oh, this is my friend Randy. Okay, whoever that is watching. I know who's watching, but I'm not gonna say no names. You know, I ain't gonna say it. You know, because just because for real. I don't know. Okay. Oh, she cut it off. Oh well, what the hell? What? My friend. SpongeBob. Yeah, SpongeBob. Oh, look at this. What's the matter, bro? What? How many what?
Who that was that was on there?
Oh, my friend named Chris. Yeah, Christine. Yeah, Christine. Oh.
That's all I wanted to know, bro.
Oh well. So what the hell time you getting out of here?
I don't like around 3:30.
You full of crap. You shut up, brother.
You full of these nuts.
Oh, don't say that on my show.
These nuts.
All right, bro.
Nuts.
Are you kidding me? Like, I don't know why you're
nuts.
hitting on me. Like, the only thing that I can even think of would be, okay, that I can fit on a block.
Oh, man.
All right. So anyway, what? I don't know what the hell he calling me for. Alcoholic. I hope the viewers heard you.
I plan on getting drunk tonight.
Drunk as a skunk, huh? Yeah. Boots was ready to beat the daylights out of Pumpkin, but I still call her Pumpkin though. Pumpkin pie. You like pumpkin pie?
Right.
Well, I like pumpkin pie. You know, to me, Crystal look like Raven Simone.
Who?
Crystal. That girl on here, Crystal. Stevenson, I think. Flavor Flav give it a nickname, Sirius.
Oh.
Not. That's a ridiculous nickname to me.
Like, are you serious?
I want to introduce you to two very
You can't be serious.
And Goldie, that name fit her. Courtney Jackson.
Is it still good?
She is the beauty director and
Okay, it's still good.
Essence magazine.
It's still June.
Oh, Lord.
We'll get fucked up
Now,
tonight.
this fine gentleman is
Okay, and
We'll get drunk.
well,
I want to get so drunk that I can't remember what I was doing.
all right then. Bye bye, y'all.
Now, Mickey is our expert on
Well,
Let me know.
huh?
Let me know.
Because I want to. Anything you want to say?
Nope.
All right, bye.
Ugh.